Today we're going to build a Lambda package using the pymysql library. I'm using the Cloud9 environment, but these same steps work for Linux or Mac. If you'd like to see Windows-specific instructions, I provided a link in the description down below. We'll accomplish this task by creating a working folder, using pip to install the pymysql library into the current working directory, and then we will compress this package using the zip command. Let's get started. We start this section by creating a working directory. I'm going to call that directory Lambda function. We enter this directory, and now we're going to install the pymysql package into this directory. So pip install pymysql. -t is a target location, and we're going to install it in the local folder here. You can see here, MySQL package has been installed. So now we're going to save our application code. This is a stub application code, so we're not actually getting the records yet. We're going to build on this project later. But we're going to save this in the Lambda functions directory as Lambda function. And now we can package this as a Lambda package with zip recursive. We're going to place this in the temp folder, and we'll just name it lambda function.zip, and we'll use the period wildcard to make sure that we include all the files. Now we can upload this package file directly to Lambda using the UI console, or we can use the command AWS lambda update function code, and we provide the function name. And I've already created a Lambda function for this, and it is named get records from MySQL, and we need to provide it the physical file. We can do that by providing zip-file, file B, 2 slashes, and then / to go to the root of our disk, temp, and then lambda functions.zip. And now the Lambda function has been updated and is ready to be tested. Now that the Lambda function's been updated, we can see the packages for pymysql as well as our Lambda function code has been updated in the web console. As of recording this, there is a small bug that sometimes this application code for the Lambda function does not get updated. Even refreshing the web browser does not refresh this information. To get around that bug, come back to functions, go back into your function, and let it reload the project from scratch. And you should see your Lambda function code. Thank you for watching. If you'd like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Ring the YouTube bell or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.